How to log into Chase Bank online banking account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Chase Bank online login. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on the official page of Chase. At the top right corner, tap on Sign In. And then you will land on this page where you'll be able to log into your account. All you want to do is enter your login credential, as in your username and the password of the account. If you want them to remember your login credential, tap on Remember Me and then click on Sign In. If your login credentials are correct, then you will be logged into your Chase Bank account successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.